Let's make rosemary roasted root vegetables with olive oil and sea salt. The recipe is in the description box below. This is the third in a series of special Christmas recipes. All of them are vegan, gluten-free, and without any added sugar. You will find the Christmas menu and the recipes in a special playlist on my channel. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking tray with parchment paper. Peel the carrots, parsnips, sweet potatoes and beetroot. Cut them into even-sized pieces. In a large bowl, add olive oil, crushed garlic, chopped rosemary, sea salt and black pepper to the vegetables and toss well. Spread the vegetables evenly on the prepared baking tray. Roast for 40 to 45 minutes, turning the vegetables halfway through. Serve warm, sprinkled with a few extra rosemary leaves and a light drizzle of olive oil. Enjoy!